Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have for you is this burnt orange makeup look that I created. I got so inspired by summer. Of course, summer is like around the corner, and yeah, I created this look and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. And yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I did cut my hair off. If you haven't been following me on Snapchat, you do not know that I did chop my hair off because I had a lot of dead ends, so I wanted to chop it off just so it can grow in healthy. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Snapchat right here, and yeah, I will definitely follow you back. So if you guys are interested in this burnt orange makeup tutorial, then keep on watching. Okay, love, so let's get started with the Nars Radiant Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. If you guys been following me, I was obsessed when this first came out. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with my Morphe sponge. And I love the sponge application just because I feel like it blends into the skin much better. So I definitely love it with the sponge. Next, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder just to set my eyes because I did apply some of the foundation on my eyelids and I want to make sure I can set that right before I apply my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Mini Palette, and I'm going to take the orange shade and I'm going to start blending that in to my crease. So basically, I'm just going to be doing a burnt orange look, so I'm just taking all the orange shades from the Huda Beauty palette and I'm just going to be applying it all over the eyes just to give me that beautiful orangey look. Then I'm going to go back in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and I'm just going to set my entire face just because this foundation tends to move during the day if you do not set it. So I definitely recommend setting it with some type of powder, of course. And then I'm going to go in with my Bare Minerals blush. I thought it was a bronzer, but it wasn't. So I just applied it to the apples of my cheeks, of course, and then just blended it out. And then I'm going to go in with my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer and just bronze up the skin. Then I'm going to go back into the Profusion palettes, and I'm going to take the two highlights. I absolutely love these two highlights. They are so pigmented. If you guys can see, look at how beautiful and pigmented these shades are. I absolutely love this palette. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the MAC Fix Plus, and this has the gold sparkles. I absolutely love it. It's my first time trying it, and I absolutely am obsessed. Then I'm going to go in with the lippy, and I'm going to use some Dose of Color lipstick. I don't know the exact name, but I will leave it down below for you guys. Okay, loves, so this is the finished, completed look. Let me know down below what you guys think, if you guys like this burnt orange makeup look inspired by summer, of course. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I did try out some new products. One thing that I do love is this MAC Fix Plus. This is the gold one with the gold sparks. Beautiful, guys. I love it. This is like my first time trying it out, and I definitely love it and recommend it, so definitely pick it up. And yeah, that is it for my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.